Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To test a phone line with a multimeter, first set the multimeter to the ohms, omega, setting to check for continuity. Then, disconnect the phone line from the jack to ensure no electrical current is running through it. Attach one multimeter probe to each of the phone line's wires. A continuous circuit will display a reading on the multimeter, typically between 0 to 100 ohms, indicating the phone line is okay. No reading suggests a break in the line. Always ensure safety by confirming no current is present before testing.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.